Hey everyone! Today we're taking you on a road trip from Zadar to Split with a must-see stop at Krka National Park. So buckle up and let's dive in. First up, Krka National Park. Nestled between Zadar and Split, this natural gem is all about stunning waterfalls, crystal clear blue-green rivers, and lush green landscapes. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale. We hiked along the scenic trails, hopped on a boat ride, and even got to swim near the famous Skredinsky Buk Falls. There's also a sprinkle of history here with old monasteries and Roman ruins. It's the perfect mix of nature and history, making it an ideal pit stop on your journey. And then we arrived in Split. This vibrant port city is the second largest in Croatia, with around 175,000 people calling it home in 2024. Split is a lively blend of history, culture, and modern vibes. At the heart of it all is the ancient Diocletian's Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking through its old stone walls, you can feel the city's past come alive. It's a mix of Roman architecture, charming cafes, and trendy shops, all buzzing with life. The housing here is a beautiful mix of Mediterranean charm. Think red-roofed stone houses and sleek modern apartments, all blending together seamlessly. And let's not forget the bustling harbour. As a major port city on the Adriatic Sea, Split is the gateway to the Dalmatian Islands. The Riva promenade along the waterfront is a must-visit. Lined with palm trees, it's perfect for a stroll with stunning sea views. Split is surrounded by green hills and mountains like Margin Hill and the Mosor Range, making the city feel like a perfect blend of urban life and nature. No trip to Split is complete without a visit to Saint Domnius Cathedral. Originally built as Emperor Diocletian's mausoleum in the 4th century, it's the oldest Catholic cathedral still in use. This place is a true symbol of the shift from Roman paganism to Christianity. The architecture is a mix of Roman, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. We climbed the 12th century bell tower for a breathtaking view of the city. It's all located right within Diocletian's palace, surrounded by lively streets, the peristyle courtyard, and the Riva promenade. Split's rich history and modern life blend so well here. It's like walking through time. That wraps up our amazing trip to Split. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. Stay tuned for our final video on the top tourist sites in Croatia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time, and bye for now.